Adding a clickable link on Facebook Marketplace can enhance your listing by directing potential buyers to more information, a website or a purchase page. Here's how to do it. Open Facebook Marketplace. Log into your Facebook account. Click on the Marketplace icon located on the left-hand sidebar or tap the Marketplace option. Create a new listing. Click Create New Listing. Select the appropriate listing type. Fill in all required details such as title, price, and description of the item. Add the link to the description. In the description section of your listing, include the URL you want to share. Although Facebook doesn't directly allow clickable links in the title or image, you can still include a clickable link within the description. Simply type or paste the full URL, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. Submit your listing. After adding the link, continue filling out any other relevant details and upload images of the product. Click Post to make your listing live. Buyers can click the link. When users view your listing, they can click the URL within the description, which will take them to the linked page.